Hi, in front of me is HTC Desire 20 Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can set up an alarm clock on this device. Start by opening menu and locating clock, then click on it. Now you need to choose alarms over here and tap on the plus icon at the top right corner. Then click allow and set up an hour. When you're done, you can click on description over here, label your alarm however you want to, and save your changes by clicking on this icon at the bottom right corner of your keyboard. Then click on vibrate to disable or enable vibrations and tap on alarm sound. Over here you can pick one of these melodies as your alarm sound by clicking on the chosen one and tapping OK. You can also scroll all the way down, choose add ringtone and add music from your device. When you're done, click OK. Now tap on repeat and select do not repeat Monday to Friday, every day or custom. I will go with custom, so I have to click on this option and select days of the week. I will only go with Wednesday, so I have to tap on all of those and tap OK. If you want to save your alarm, tap done at the bottom right corner. As you can see, my alarm clock was successfully set up, but if you want to turn it off completely, you can always click on this icon over here. Then, if you want to turn it back on, just click at the same icon. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!